All right, bro. The easiest way to do this, you want to start with Steam. Just open up your Steam and find your game, Soulstorm. I right-click that, Properties. Once you go into Properties, you go into Installed Files, and then Browse right here. I would leave this window open. This is what will pop up just during the tutorial. Leave it open, and the Steam stuff you can just close for now. Does not matter. This, just leave to the side. We will come back to that. As far as the downloads, when you go to Google and when you search pretty much this right here, just Unification download, the first one, this is what the link looks like, picture. Once you open that up, make it big. The only ones that you want to worry about is this one, 736, and then the installer that comes with it, and this DAO mod manager. Those three. That's literally all that you need to download. Nothing else whatsoever. To make it easier, I made a folder. You don't have to. When I downloaded them, I just threw it all in the folder, just so that, you know, it's a little easier. Okay. Going back to this Steam folder that you set aside earlier, you won't see, I'm not gonna do it again, but I'll show you exactly what I did. This is your game folder. All you wanna do, this right here, the one that looks like this, you'll see it when you download it. You drag it and drop it in here. And that's where mine is. I just have, the reason I have two is I made a shortcut. You don't have to do that, by the way. I just did it because it's organized. And if you were curious, if you wanted to make a shortcut, like I did, you just right click, show more, create shortcut. And when you do that, it just, you know, but I won't do that. I already did it. So, and you can delete that. You can delete shortcuts, it's not a big deal. Okay, once you do that, you can minimize that file. This you can leave. This is just all the core data stuff. You don't gotta touch it. This one is what you wanna open. Once you open it, this is pretty much the installer. I'm not gonna do it twice, but essentially just you push agree, blah, 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 and then it downloads. But I'm not gonna do that. Once it's done downloading, it will pop up. Oh, I don't know if it pops up, but once it's done downloading, you open this, which I have a shortcut when I said to keep this open, just in case you didn't make a shortcut, this is what you would open. Once that's open, you'll see this. I just disabled the fog. That's one thing that you'll see in here. That's the only thing that'll be different compared to stock. And this right here, this toggle LLA button, yours will be red. You just click that to where it's green. Start mod. Once you start mod, this is how you'll start the game every time if you want to use mods. If you want to use it without mods, you just launch it through Steam and then boom.